morning. Our first snow of the season. I love snow. I think it's beautiful. As long as no one gets hurt, driving and stuff. I love it. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I'm Brenda. It's bright and early, as you can tell, here in Kentucky. I want to, I hope that my dogs are going to cooperate and be quiet. Never know with them. I want to make some cookies for somebody that I love so much. That's diabetic. Her favorite cookies are peanut butter. And I want to try to do my own version of our favorite Jif peanut butter cookies. So hopefully I'm making them taste really good. I hope. I do have the oven preheating at 375. In this bowl, I already have sifted some coconut flour. That's what I'm going to use, is coconut flour. I've got salt and baking soda in this one. I have almond milk in there. Here's my peanut butter. I have the Swerve brown sugar. I have an egg with vanilla. I don't know if I'm going to use any of this or not, the liquid Swerve. I may. And then I have some coconut oil here that I'm going to melt down. If this all works out right, then I'm going to link the recipe. It's going to be on my Handcrafted by page at Nana's Hidden Apron on Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and get these mixed up. And we'll just zip through it real quick. And keep your fingers crossed. I really want to do this for her. This truly comes from the heart. Truly comes from the heart. Okay. I'm going to put y'all on pause just a second so I can get you set up. Y'all know how I am. Hold on. Okay. There we go. It is a little dark. I don't have one of those big lights that so many people have. And that's fine. I don't need it. But again, this is my the coconut flour that I'm going to use. I've already got it sifted. You always want to sift this stuff, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and add in my pink Himalayan salt and my baking soda. You know it. I got my sink of water over there, right? Y'all know that. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. The next thing I'm going to do is add the brown Swerve to it. It's lightly packed. I lightly packed it, so y'all not gonna believe what I did. Scared the fire out of myself. I went to melt my coconut oil, and there was just a little bit left in the container. So y'all saw it, that little plastic container. So I was just gonna melt it in the microwave. Well, what I didn't do was pulled a small piece of aluminum foil that was still stuck on the lid. What do you reckon happened? Woo! Sparks was a-flying. I even had a little flame, I guess, for this cold weather, you know? No biggie. Microwave is fine. We're fine. Just, remember, just the littlest piece of aluminum foil could cause a mighty spark in your microwave. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add in my peanut butter. I didn't realize until I started doing some of the keto cooking just how much carbs and stuff was in you know, the flour and all that. You don't think about that when you're, when it doesn't really, I don't know if you want to say affect the body or how it could be said. Sorry, I got to get a spatula. But you don't think about it a lot when it isn't something that you're immediately concerned with. That's my egg and the vanilla. There's my unsweetened vanilla flavor almond flour. Or almond milk, I'm sorry. And here is that bad coconut oil. Woo! There we go. Now, remember, using coconut flour, yet you need a little extra liquid in there, because we know how it loves to drink up the liquids. So, can y'all see that? Yeah, sort of. I'm thinking I might have to put one more egg in it. I don't know yet. And yes, I'm going to taste this before I bake them. I know it has a raw egg in it. Hey, how many times have you seen people drinking protein and it have a raw egg in it? Used to eat cake batter when I was little. So far, there's been no issues. You know what? I think I'm not going to put another one in there. That's looking pretty good to me. Now what I have to do is taste it. Still got to get it mixed up a little bit more. I sure do hope these taste right, because bless her heart, she had sent word of how much she would love to have some cookies. Her favorite being peanut butter. That's going to taste amazing. Oh my goodness, you all. That is wonderful. Still just a little bit. I don't know. Sorry, I'm over here rummaging in the cabinet. Because I'm going to put some more peanut butter in it. It's got a little overpowering flavor of coconut. For me, it would be fine. I would love it. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put an egg in here. Another egg. Like that. There we go. And let's see if that helps it. Because I can tell just the batter itself is kind of dry. There we go. I think that's better. Better batter. Like I said, now this is, you know, if you do these recipes and you try to work it out to where it's keto or sugar-free, because it's such an amazing recipe, you know, like I said, it's been our favorite recipe for peanut butter cookies for many years. So hopefully I can make this taste right for her. Much better. Much, much better. Okay. Now, I've already got a pan here. I've got some parchment paper on it. We're just going to make little balls of peanut butter. cookie mixture there. I'm just going to use my small scoop. See how we come out. Of course, it tastes good now, so I'm assuming it's going to taste just as good after they're cooked. Y'all know I'm all about taste testing. I just hope she likes them. It's not going to be what she expects. She's a little sneaky sneak, and she expects probably to have them good old-fashioned Jif peanut butter full of sugar cookies. But I can't do that. I can't do that for her. Like my own child. One thing about it, if it works, then I have other family members that are diabetic. I have friends that are diabetic that I know would appreciate this. And I know, if some of you all are probably diabetic as well, and I know that you would appreciate these cookies. I just really feel in my heart that you would. Okay, I'm going to have to make this into 2 batches. But, you know there's one thing you have to do. The most iconic thing ever for sugar cookies. You see what I just did? Mash it down. You get your fork there. Got a little plate of stevia. It's just the granulated. We're going to, that's right. We're going to make those iconic peanut butter cookie marks. And don't overdo it, because you don't want, it can overpower the flavor of your cookie. We all know that. That if you're not careful, that your stevia will overpower. So you just dip it in there, tap it, do your little crisscross with your fork tines. I try to come up with a lot of my own recipes, and I get so excited when I do it and it turns out to taste so good. Yeah, that's just so cute. Look, you see them? Aren't they cute? There, a little more light. Okay, let's get these in the oven. I'm going to bake them for 10 minutes just to see. 8 to 10 minutes. Kind of keep an eye on them. I'll let you know for sure when I get done. Let me go ahead and get these in the oven. Here we go. Now, get my oven light turned on. Now, like I've said before, I'm not a timer kind of person. I just kind of keep track of the time. And hello, did you like that view of the ceiling? Is that what I was showing you? Sorry, but I just keep track of the time so that I know when to get them back out. But I'm gonna get my mess cleaned up. You already know. There's that sink. There's that sink full of water. Get my mess cleaned up. Let these cookies bake. Go ahead and get me another sheet ready. And I'll get back with y'all in just a few. See ya. I've actually had them in there for 13 minutes. Get this mid on. Ooh, there you go. Take that one out. Put these in. There we go. Now, how about that? They smell great. I just went ahead and baked them until they got just the slightest little crispy brown on the top, which actually ended up being 13 minutes. So we're just going to let them cool down. And then I'll give, of course, I'll give it a try. All right, be back with y'all soon. Okay. Well, let's give it a try. It held its, well, that's a good sign. But yeah, it held its shape real well. Let's see. Very early to be having a cookie, but it's got the slightest little crunch to it. That is so good. Give them a try. Give them a try. Let me know if you like it or not. I can tell you I like them. Now, still hot. The true test is going to be, does she like them? Are they going to be the peanut butter cookies she's used to having? Absolutely not. I'm sorry, that's just so good. I really like it. Okay. Like I said, you'll find the recipe on at Nana's Hidden Apron on Facebook, handcrafted by. If you have not subscribed yet, I wish you would. It doesn't cost anything at all. It just helps us out to, as vloggers for YouTube. And if you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you like this kind of content, and it can bring other things up for you. And if you hit the dinner bell, you'll get notifications. If you subscribe, you'll get notifications of when I put a new recipe on, or a new craft, or maybe even just some footage of the snow. All right. You all take care. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here, and I'm going to finish up these cookies, get them packed up all nice and neat, and I'll let you guys know what she thinks about them. Okay? So, I'll see you again in my next vlog. And again, welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. Have a great day.